We were hit from behind, more so on the passenger side, and the seat belt, when it hit, it knocked me into the front of the car. I was taken to the hospital. They done several x-rays, and the MRI showed that I have bulging discs in my neck and torn ligaments in my shoulder. After a month or so, I contacted, and Brooks accepted me as a client, and from there to here. Every time I would call, I would get someone. If not, I would call, he would return the call to me. Gerald, I think is his name. But I was surprised it didn't take as long. I was surprised he got the money to pay the bills, and it was just handled very professional. I would highly recommend Brooks Law Group. I was very satisfied with it. I just appreciate you and thank you for being as swift as you are and took care of things.